Tope, you've been in the blogs and on the news. You've been trending for a particular video. You've been trending.
Wow.
Very, very recently.
Yeah,
you know, there's a lot people have to say about that video and all of that. Maybe we should see it and then
All
right, we get to talk. I'm thinking that David was around now. This Gbese would have. He would just. This is crazy. But what was going through your mind at that moment? What were you doing at that moment?
In a nutshell, I needed that dance. It was at my father's burial.
Okay.
And the praise was organized by my gospel artist friends to just worship God after the wake up. And I need to worship God. I just need to.
Wow.
It's not easy to bury your father. Some people died before their father died.
Wow. That's
so
true.
If you're spiritual, you know that you need, as a spiritual person, you know you need that dance.
Mike Abdul, talking about praising, because this is praising and worshiping God with reckless abandon. That is something that a number of people, there's that people expect you to be comport and compose whenever you're in the presence of the Lord and all that. What do you have to say about things like that?
Well, I quite understand it, but it just keeps us away from the real thing. You understand what I'm saying? I think for us, God really expects us to come the way we are. See, you can't be holy without God. You understand what I'm saying? So you cannot say, oh, before I go to God, I want to be holy before I get to Him. How do you want to do it? You cannot do it. You understand? He's the one that will make you holy. So that's why Jesus said, come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden. I will give you rest. You understand? So we see it that way. So we kind of try to change what the climate of music is so that the culture too can be fun.